Sofia, a dynamic Eastern European capital, distinguished by its unique combination of European and communist-style architecture, as well as many beautiful Orthodox churches. Bulgaria's pleasingly laid-back capital is often overlooked by visitors heading to the coast or the ski resort, but they are missing something special. Sofia is no grand metropolis, but it is a modern youthful city with a scattering of onion-domed churches that lend an eclectic, exotic feel. In relation to tourist attractions, Sofia is relatively a small city, and you can visit all these attractions in one day. As we only had one day to visit Sofia, we choose to join the free English sightseeing walking tour of Sofia, organized by the 365 Association. Even though Sofia isn't the most popular destination among European cities, but there are many amazing places nearby that you can visit as day trips from Sofia. Many of them can be easily doable by public transport. Other places are in a bit remote locations. Some of these popular day trips from Sofia include the Rila Monastery. Hidden away in the Rila Mountains, this medieval monastery is the largest and likely the most important Eastern Orthodox monastery complex in Bulgaria. The 7 Rila lakes, these glacial lakes, combine with the mountain scenery to create a stunningly beautiful destination for hikers and photographers alike. You also have Plovdiv, Vitosha Mountain, Belogradic Rocks and Fortress, Melnik Pyramids, which constitute excellent day trips from Sofia. When in Sofia, you'll need to go for at least one of Sofia day trips. For our day trip, we have chosen to visit Plovdiv, the second largest city of Bulgaria, which is about 2 hours and 30 minutes from Sofia by train. One of the best ways to explore Sofia if you don't have a lot of time is to join the free sightseeing Sofia walking tour.
For you today to be your hosts, your guides, happy to see so many of you in our
The free Sofia walking tour covers most of the main things to see in Sofia. The sightseeing tours of Sofia are organized by professional guides from a non-profit organization. The tours are fun and educational, the perfect introduction to the city and its thousands of years of history. The tour starts from the Palace of Justice in front of the 2 lion statues. During the Renaissance, the lion is the most popular Bulgarian symbol. The Palace of Justice is one of the landmarks of Sofia.
We are not going to enter any buildings.
The next step is the Cathedral of St. Nedelia, just 2 minutes walk from the Palace of Justice. Built in the mid-17th century, Sofia Nedelia Church, in English, Saint Sunday, hovers on the eastern edge of the old town. Most noticeable is its elegant 16-meter tower. St. Nedelia is a medieval church that has suffered destruction through the ages and has been reconstructed many times.
Was the liberation of Bulgaria. This is how the Bulgarian state was established.
Next, we walk to the statue of Sofia, 4-minute walk from the Sofia Nedelia Church.
Neighborhood, right?
As the patron saint of Bulgaria's capital, Saint Sofia to this day watches over the city. The statue is the work of local sculptor Georgy Chapkanov and replaced the statue of Lenin, which stood on the same spot during the communist period. Next to the statue of Sofia is the church of St. Petka of the Saddlers. Is a medieval Bulgarian Orthodox church in the very center of Sofia. The church is dedicated to St. Petka, an 11th century Bulgarian saint. She was the patron of the saddlers in the Middle Ages who lived in the area and performed their rituals in the church. The Lago is an architectural ensemble of 3 buildings designed and built in the 1950s with the intention of becoming the city's representative center, regarded as prime example of socialist classicism architecture in southeastern Europe. Those 3 buildings constitute tourist attraction on their own right. The Lago houses the Bulgarian National Assembly, previously used as quarters for the Bulgarian Communist Party, the Council of Ministers, the Presidency. The Lago is just a few steps away from the statue of Sofia, and you have about 5 tourist attractions in this small space. There you can also find Sofia ancient Roman ruins. The amphitheater of Serdica was an amphitheater in the ancient Roman city of Olpia Serdica, now Sofia, the capital of Bulgaria. Discovered in 2004 and the subject of excavation in 2005 and 2006, the ruins of the amphitheater lie on 2 adjacent sites in the center of modern Sofia. The oldest and best preserved monument of architecture since Roman times in Sofia is the Rotunda Church St. George. It was built in the beginning of the 4th century AD during the reign of the Roman Emperor Constantine the Great and the flourishing of the ancient town Serdica, the old name of Sofia. It's believed that the Rotunda is the oldest building in Sofia. The temple is situated in the courtyard of the government office, just a couple of meters of the remains of the ancient Roman ruins. It is a cylindrical, domed structure built on a square base. In the same area, you also have the Banya Bashi Mosque. This incredible, beautiful building is visible from a distance from variable parts of central Sofia. Banya Bashi Mosque is the city's only functioning mosque. It dates back to the 16th century. It's one of the few remaining landmarks in Sofia from the 500-year-long Ottoman rule over the Bulgarian territories.
Okay, go on.
The next step is the Museum of Sofia, a former public bath 6 minutes walk from the statue of Sofia. One of the most beautiful buildings in the heart of Bulgaria's capital used to be a public bath. It's now a national museum. The impressive building of the public bath now hosts more than 100,000 artifacts, and since 2015, it has been officially opened to the public as Sofia's Museum of History. We ended the tour at the St. Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, a 15-minute walk from the Museum of Sofia.
Also used as a police station. Practical restoration.
As one of the largest Eastern Orthodox cathedrals in the world, the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral serves as one of the nation's primary tourist attractions. The cathedral was built in honor of Russian soldiers who died during the Russo-Turkish War of 1877, after which Bulgaria was liberated from Ottoman rule and was named after St. Alexander Nevsky, a Russian prince in the early 13th century. So in just few hours, we had a comprehensive overview of Sofia landmarks, history, culture on this small group walking tour. This was ideal as we were on limited time. Sofia may not appear at the top of many travelers' wish lists. There are a lot of great reasons to visit Sofia. Sofia is affordable. Sofia has great food. You can experience Sofia's unique culture and atmosphere. Sofia has an amazing history. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more. Next time, we are taking you to Plovdiv, the second largest city of Bulgaria. Till then, keep on traveling. See you.